Driving a high-end vehicle is an experience like no other, but the steep price tag and rapid depreciation often make buying one a risky financial move. That is exactly why leasing is the superior strategy for luxury buyers. As we settle into March 2026, automakers are releasing aggressive incentives this month that lower the barrier to entry for premium sedans and coupes. Instead of worrying about long-term ownership costs, you can simply enjoy the prestige, performance, and cutting-edge tech of a brand new model for a fraction of the price. Here are the top luxury offers to watch this month. Number 1. 2025 Lexus ES. The 2025 Lexus ES is a classic luxury sedan that's all about comfort and refinement. Features include 8-inch touchscreen, dual automatic climate control, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and 203 horsepower engine. Leasing options are attractive, with an estimated average payment of $616 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. A 24-month lease averages $770 per month, while a 48-month lease is about $649 per month. Number 2. 2025 Lexus IS. The Lexus IS is a versatile luxury sedan that focuses on comfort and reliability. Features include a 10.3-inch touchscreen display, Lexus Safety System Plus, available all-wheel drive, a 241 horsepower engine, and a sport-tuned suspension. Leasing options average $630 per month for a 36-month term, including $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. A 24-month lease averages $780 monthly, while a 48-month lease drops to about $615 per month. Number 3. 2026 Acura TLX. The 2026 Acura TLX is a mid-sized luxury sedan that blends strong performance with sharp design, backed by a generous lineup of standard technology and advanced safety features. Key features include a leather-trimmed interior, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, a collision mitigation braking system, and a 272 horsepower engine. The TLX lease starts at $462 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $560 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to $473 per month. Number 4. 2026 Acura Integra. The 2026 Integra is a sporty and feature-packed luxury hatchback that's perfect for drivers who want a mix of performance and practicality. Key features include 9-inch touchscreen, dual automatic climate control, collision mitigation braking system, and 200 horsepower engine. Integra leases start at $462 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. You can also opt for a 24-month lease at $560 per month or a 48-month lease at $473 per month. Number 5. 2026 BMW 3 Series. The 3 Series is a well-rounded luxury sedan that combines performance, comfort, and style. Key features include 14.9-inch touchscreen, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, and 255 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. Lease deals for the 3 Series start at $677 per month for a 36-month term, $2,000 due at signing, and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $896 monthly. Number 6. 2025 BMW 4 Series. The 4 Series, available as a coupe, sedan, or convertible, focuses more on style and comfort than outright thrills. Key features include a 14.9-inch central information display, active blind spot detection, active driving assistant, advanced safety systems, and a 255 horsepower engine. The 4 Series leases start at $863 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $1,123 monthly. Number 7. 2026 BMW 2 Series. The 2026 2 Series is the brand's entry-level model, but it doesn't compromise on performance or luxury. With its refined interior and sporty handling, it's a true BMW at its core. Features include sport seats with multi-level heating, 14.9-inch information display, automatic parking, and 255 horsepower engine. BMW 2 Series leases start at around $567 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. A 24-month lease averages $752 per month. Number 8. 2025 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series is a top choice for drivers seeking a mid-size luxury sedan that combines performance, technology, and efficiency. Features include sport seats with multi-level heating, a 14.9-inch central information display, automatic park assistant, and a 255-horsepower engine. 5 Series leases start at about $873 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. Choosing a 24-month lease raises the average payment to $1,126 per month. Number 9. 2026 Genesis G70. The 2026 Genesis G70 is a well-rounded small luxury sedan that competes with the best from Audi, BMW, and Mercedes. Features include a leather-trimmed interior, a 10.3-inch touchscreen, forward collision avoidance assist, and a 300-horsepower engine. The G70 lease starts at $507 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $502 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to $565 per month. Number 10. 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is a refined and polished compact luxury sedan. This model features an 11.9-inch touchscreen, multi-zone climate control, active brake assist, and a powerful 255-horsepower engine. Leasing the C-Class is an affordable option with Mercedes flexible deals. A typical 3-year lease averages $700 per month, with $2,000 down for 12,000 miles annually. A 24-month lease averages $759 per month, while a 48-month lease drops to about $636 per month. Number 11. 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE is a striking luxury coupe that combines elegant design with cutting-edge technology and refined performance. It comes loaded with a 12.3-inch digital display, a 255-horsepower turbocharged engine, 18-inch alloy wheels, dual-zone climate control, and blind spot monitoring. The CLE lease starts at $926 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $1,165 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to around $826 per month. Number 12. 2026 Cadillac CT4. The Cadillac CT4 is a compact luxury sedan that offers sporty handling and turbocharged power at an affordable price. The 2026 CT4 comes equipped with key features such as an 8-inch touchscreen, front and rear park assist, Cadillac Smart System Safety Suite, and a 237-horsepower turbocharged engine. Leasing options average $633 per month for a 36-month term, including $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. A 24-month lease averages $843 monthly, while a 48-month lease drops to about $647 per month. Number 13. 2026 Genesis G80. The 2026 Genesis G80 may be a newer player among full-size luxury sedans, but it more than holds its own with bold styling, high-end materials, smooth performance, and advanced tech, delivering serious value in the premium segment. The 2025 Genesis G80 shines with a 14.5-inch touchscreen, a 300-horsepower turbo engine, smart cruise control, self-parking tech, and sleek 19-inch alloy wheels. The G80 lease starts at $709 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $774 monthly, while 48-month leases come in around $774 per month. Number 14. 2026 Cadillac CT5. The 2026 CT5 is a stylish and powerful luxury sedan that offers a modern infotainment system and an optional V6 engine. Features include heated driver and front passenger seats, 33-inch advanced LED display, automatic parking, hands-free driver assistance technology, and 237-horsepower engine. CT5 leases start at about $848 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. A 24-month lease averages $1,087 per month, while a 48-month lease drops to about $793 per month. Number 15. 2026 Audi A3. The Audi A3 is a compact luxury sedan that offers a premium cabin and a refined driving experience. The 2025 A3 comes equipped with key features such as a 10.1-inch touchscreen, Audi Presense front safety system, 17-inch aluminum wheels, and a 201-horsepower turbocharged engine. Leasing options average $624 per month for a 36-month term, including $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. A 24-month lease averages $769 monthly, while a 48-month lease drops to about $571 per month. Number 16. 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a leader in the mid-size luxury sedan segment, offering a level of presence, luxury, and technology that's just a step below the flagship S-Class. Key features include automatic parking, a 14.4-inch touchscreen, active brake assist, and a 255-horsepower engine. The E-Class lease begins at $981 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile yearly limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $1,232 monthly, while 48-month leases drop to $876 per month. Number 17. 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA is one of the most affordable ways to get into a Mercedes-Benz, but it doesn't compromise on luxury. Features include 10.3-inch touchscreen, dual climate control, automatic parking, and a powerful 221-horsepower engine. The CLA leases start at $626 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. You can also opt for a 24-month lease at $776 per month or a 48-month lease at $558 per month. Number 18. 2026 BMW M2. The 2026 BMW M2 is the ultimate compact sports coupe, packing a 473-horsepower twin-turbo inline-six engine with razor-sharp handling for an exhilarating drive. It features a stunning 14.9-inch infotainment display, luxurious climate control, blind spot monitoring, and staggered 19-inch front and 20-inch rear alloy wheels for a bold, athletic look. The M2 lease starts at $1,078 per month for a 36-month term, with $2,000 due at signing and a 12,000-mile annual limit. For a 24-month lease, payments average $1,399 monthly,